top 5 best wrestling mat. Number 5. ActiveGear Large Exercise Mat Flooring Non-Slip 6 feet by 6 feet. The ActiveGear Large Exercise Mat is a non-slip flooring option that is well suited for wrestling and other high-impact activities. Measuring 6 feet by 6 feet, this mat offers ample space for wrestling practice and training. The surface is designed to prevent slipping and sliding during workouts, providing stability and safety. It is made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials and is free from harmful chemicals. The 6 mm thickness offers comfortable cushioning and support. Whether you're practicing your wrestling moves or engaging in other exercises, the ActiveGear Large Exercise Mat is a reliable choice to consider. Coming in number 4. We sell mats 4 feet by 8 feet by 2 inch personal fitness and exercise mat. The We Sell Mats Personal Fitness and Exercise Mat is a great option for those looking for a thick and durable wrestling mat. Measuring 4 feet by 8 feet and with a 2-inch thickness, this mat provides excellent shock absorption and support for wrestling and other exercises. It is made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety during use. The mat's hook and loop fasteners allow for easy expansion and customization to suit your training area's size and shape. The waterproof and easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance hassle-free. If you need a reliable and customizable wrestling mat, this one is worth considering. Coming in number 3. Prosource Fit Trifold Folding Thick Exercise Mat 6 feet by 4 feet. The Prosource Fit Trifold Folding Thick Exercise Mat is a versatile option for those in need of a compact and portable wrestling mat. Measuring 6 feet by 4 feet, this mat can be easily folded for storage and transportation, making it ideal for on-the-go training and practice sessions. The 2-inch thickness provides ample cushioning and support, reducing the risk of injuries during intense workouts. The durable vinyl surface is easy to clean and maintain, and the mat comes with a carrying handle for added convenience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced wrestler, this mat is a practical choice. Coming in number 2. Anngrowy Large Exercise Mat 12 feet by 6 foot workout mat. The Anngrowy Large Exercise Mat is an excellent choice for wrestling and other physical activities. Measuring 12 feet by 6 feet, this mat offers ample space for various exercises, making it suitable for wrestling practice and training. The 6 mm thickness provides cushioning and support to reduce the risk of injuries. It is made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring the safety of users. The non-slip surface of the mat helps maintain stability during workouts. Whether you're a professional wrestler or a fitness enthusiast, the Anngrowy Large Exercise Mat is a reliable option. Coming in number 1. Gxmmat Extra Large Exercise Mat 6 feet by 8 feet by 7 mm. The Gxmmat Extra Large Exercise Mat is a top choice for those looking for a high-quality wrestling mat. This mat measures 6 feet by 8 feet and is 7 mm thick, providing a comfortable and supportive surface for wrestling and other exercises. It is made from eco-friendly, non-toxic materials and is free from latex, lead, and harmful chemicals. The textured surface of the mat ensures a firm grip and helps prevent slips during intense workouts. Additionally, the Gxmmat mat is easy to clean and maintain, making it a convenient choice for wrestlers and athletes.